trying to see how it goes. It's a lot of fun, and I'm totally going like completely against what I paint and just trying to do traditional tattoos because I do want it to be like absolutely fun and different from what I do on a normal basis. So yeah, I've got a sordid history, I guess, with tattooing for the last 20 plus years.
Do you find that you bring anything from more kind of traditional tattooing, simplifying, dark and light shapes, things like that, into your painting, or vice versa? Or are they just such completely different animals?
I started painting these little flesh blocks with traditional tattoos on them and was having so much fun with them. I was like, why have I never considered this just as like a tattoo style? And like painting traditional tattoos made me want to start tattooing with traditional style. And I don't want anything to do with realism. Like I have enough of like layering and layering and layering and layering at home when I'm painting in our at home studio. I don't want to do that on somebody's body or I don't want to have that much patience to see something finished on somebody else. So like, yeah, they did influence each other, but the opposite way than you would think.
The opposites, you would think. Yeah. Yeah, that is interesting, and I assume, and I don't have a very traditional approach to tattooing either. I tend to work in layers, more large scale work. So the one thing that I find that I struggle with, particularly tattooing at conventions, is just starting and finishing something in the same day. I just really have a hard time getting myself to a point that I believe something is at a level of finish that I would be happy sending them off, and so it's funny when because you have that experience in your painting, I guess, just working.
Yeah, absolutely.
And I feel like it must be pretty satisfying to go to work and be like, all right, I'm going to start this and I'm going to finish it. And only 3 hours are going to have gone by.
Yeah. Yeah, exactly. I mean, for the paintings, I have to have him come in and look at it and be like, just please tell me it's done. Like, I cannot get myself to say this is over. Like, sometimes I am pulling my hair out, like, just take me away from it and say it's done.